Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Magical Math Morning Session. We are learning the magic using the numbers. Every Monday to Friday morning, sharp at 7 a.m., we are learning the shortcut tricks using different numbers, where we are going to learn different tricks of Vedic mathematics, mental maths, and speed maths so that we can become the expert in mathematical calculations, and we are turning ourselves into maths mental calculators. Today, as a part of this, we are going to learn the short tricks to find out the cubes of any given number. Initially, we'll focus more onto two-digit numbers and a little bit of a three-digit numbers. Later on, in the next sessions, we are going to learn how to do it for the higher numbers. Because the cubes of any numbers, normally, from the competitive point of view, if you learn the cubes up to 20, that is more than sufficient. Okay, and also for normal exams like 10th board exams, cubes up to is more than sufficient. We normally don't get this one, but there are some higher competitive exams where you may be required to find the cubes and cube roots of the higher numbers. Whatever it might be, let us learn the trick so that it can be applied to today's trick is applicable to all 2 and 3 digit numbers. Okay, this is cubes. Before starting with the cubes of the numbers, we have to find out the we should remember the cubes of all the basic numbers, that is 1 to 10. Let's find out that. Let me write them here. I hope you all know the cubes of the numbers, at least 1 to 10. Just a second. It's got stuck. Okay, what is the cubes of the numbers like 1 to 10? Let's take it here. Just excuse me, okay? 1 second. Okay. Now, what is the cube of any number? That means if you multiply the same number 3 times by itself, we call it as cube. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Like that, we should know cubes up to 10. 3 cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. 6 cube is 216. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. 7 cube is 343. 8 cube is 512. 9 cube is 729, and 10 cube is 10 into 10 100. 110 is 1000. These numbers we should be knowing. Once we know this, we are going to use the shortcut trick what I am going to teach you today. Let us take a simple two-digit number, maybe 16 cube we want to consider. So what we do, we are going to consider this as the first number, this as the second number. Let's take this as A, this as B. Okay, we are going to write the calculation in total 4 steps. First, what we are going to do, this B cube we will be writing. Okay, that is 6 cube. That is 6 cube equal to what? 216. So I am going to take the first digit 6, remaining 21 I will carry to the next. Then what I'll do, I'll multiply these 3 numbers. These 3 means 3 into 6 into 1. 3 6 are 18. 18 ones are 18. This 18 I am going to multiply with first with the B. 18 6 are 108. For that 108, I have to write here, but carry over 21 is there. I will add this. It will become 129. So I will be writing 9 and 12 I will carry. Then for the same 18, I will multiply with A now. First I multiplied with B, now I will multiply with A. 18 ones are 18, and for that I have to write here, but carry over 12 is there. 18 plus 12 will become 40. So, sorry, 30. 0, I will carry 3. Then what I will do? Last, I will do the cube of this number, A cube. 1 cube is 1, plus this carry is there, 3, that is 4. 16 cube is 4096. This is the method with which we can find out the cube of 2 and 3 digit numbers very, very fast. In 2 digit numbers, all numbers we can find out. In 3 digit numbers, only the smaller numbers. Okay, let's check the same method for one more number. Maybe we want to go for a little bigger one, 19 cube. What we did, first step is, suppose if you want to write it like three steps, let's take. First, we'll be writing 9 cube. 9 cube is 20, sorry, 9 cube is 729. Correct? No? I will take only one digit. 9 I will take, and this 72 I will carry. Then what we do? 3 into 9 into 1. These three numbers, I'll multiply them as the digits. 3 nines are 27, 27 ones are 27. The 27 I'm going to multiply with these two both. First I will multiply with the units digit. 27 nines are. We are going to do this. If you take 27 nines are 29s are 180, 7 nines are 63. That is 243. For 243, instead of carrying here, I will add this. Sorry, instead of writing directly, I will add this what we have carried over. 243 plus 72, 315. So we will get 315. I will again write only one digit and will carry the remaining. 35 will, 31 will get. And for the same 27, now I will multiply with this second number. That is 3 nines are 27, 1s are 27. Correct? No? For that I am multiplying 1. 27 we are getting. But there is a carryover of 31. 27 plus 31 is 58. What I'll do? I'll write 8 and the remaining 5 I'm going to carry. Next, 1 cube we'll do. 1 cube is 1. For that carryover 5 is there. You add it. 6859 is the cube. Isn't it simple? Definitely, you try to find out with the normal method. Comparing to that, you're going to save a lot of time. But this will be useful when you go for a little bigger numbers. Because 19 cube, either do with the normal method, and this will take almost the same time, but this is little faster. But let's take some bigger number like maybe 28, 36, 34 like that. Okay, let's take 34 cube. What we'll do? This is B, this is A, correct? No? First 4 cube I will write. 4 cube is 64. So I will write 4 and carry 6. Then what I'll do? 3 4s are 12. 12 3s are 36. For this 36, first I will multiply with B. 36 into 4 is 144. Double. 72, 144. So for the 144, instead of writing, I will add the carried 6. It will become 150. So I will write 0 and 15 I will carry. Next, for this 36, I will multiply with A now. 36 3 is a 108. Instead of directly writing, I will add the carried 15. 108 15 is 123. So I will write 3 and I will carry 12. Then what I will do? The last part is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. For that, I will add the carry 12, 39. 39304 is the cube of 34. Instead of explaining, if I do, I will be able to do within around some 15 or 20 seconds. Correct? No? Definitely, this is much easier than the method of multiplying first 34 into 34 and whatever you will get, then again you multiply by 34. Instead of that, this is a much quicker one. The bigger the numbers, the more time you are going to save here. Okay, let's take some bigger number like maybe 73 square. Little bigger number we'll take. Sorry, 73 cube. First we'll go for 3 cube is 27. Correct? No? I'll write 7 and I'll carry 2. Then I'll multiply these 3 digits. 7 3s are 21. 21 3s are 63. Correct? No? Sorry. This 63, I'll keep it aside. For that, first I'll multiply with B. 63 3s are 189. For that 189, I'm going to add the carry 191. So 1 will come and 19 will get carried. Then for the 63, I will multiply with 7. We'll get 441. Correct? No, 63. 67 is 420, 37 is 21. 441. And for 441, we have to add the carrier of 19. It will become 460. So I'll write 0 and I will carry 46. Okay. Then last we will be doing is 7 cube. 7 cube is 343. For that we have to add this 46. 383, 389. So 389017 is 73 cube. Imagine how much time you would have saved here. This is relatively faster than the normal, at least 2 to 3 times faster than the normal traditional method. Especially in the competitive exams, when you are going to write in the higher level, this is going to help us to save a lot of time. What about the 3-digit numbers? In 3-digit numbers, also smaller numbers we can use this. Maybe let me take one example of 104, 105, like this. 105 cube we want to find out. Here, instead of converting this into 3 digits, what I'll do? I'll take this as 1 digit and this as 1 digit. 10 as the A and 5 as B. Rest of the procedure is same. First we'll go for 5 cube. 125 will come. In the 25 I will take and 12 I will carry. Then what we'll do? 3 5s are 10. Sorry, 3 5s are 15. 15 into 10 is 150. First what I'll do, this 150 I'll multiply with B. 155 is 750 plus 12 is carried, correct? No? So it becomes 762. So I will write 2 and 76 I will carry. Then what we'll do, this 150 I will multiply with A. 150 into 10 is 1500. For that, carry over 76 is there, 1576. I will write 6 and 157 I will carry. Only one digit we are writing and rest I am carrying. Then we'll go for 10 cube. 10 cube is what? 1000. 1000 into 157 is 1157. This is nothing but 105 cube. 1157625. Do you find this very easy and time saving? Definitely yes. Correct, no? You can type yes if you found it very easy means. Let's go for the one more example with 3 digits. Usually I will go up to 120, not beyond 120 because it's little difficult. So we'll take maybe 112 cube. Let's try. Okay, 112 cube. This I can divide into either 12 as B and 1 as A, because 1 is also we know, 12 also we know, or 11 as A and 2 as B. Any method we can take it, but easier is to take 11 as A and 2 as B, because 11 square, 11 cube is much easier. Correct? No? Sorry, cube. So first we'll go for 2 cube, 8 I will write. Then we'll go for 3 to the 6, 6 into 11, 66. For 66, first I will multiply with B. 66 to the 132. I will write 2 and 13 is carried because first one there was no carry. Then 66 into 11 is 726 plus 13 is 739. 973 is carried. Then we will write 11 cube. This is 73 is carried. Correct? No, sorry. Then we'll go for 11 cube. 11 cube is 1131. Sorry, 1331. For that I have to add whatever carried, 73, 1340. Sorry, 1400 and then 4. 1404928 is the cube of 112. Imagine with the traditional method how much time we would have taken. We had definitely done 3 to 4 times faster than the normal time. Correct? No? This you will remember. In case you know, you go for how I applied this. You try to find out the method like A plus B whole cube. Okay, that technique I'm going to teach you tomorrow, but that is not required at all for learning this cubing technique, because normally for the competitive exams you don't get anything more than 125. Less than 125 cubes only they will ask, and for everything this technique is sufficient, especially even if you go for the railway recruitment, police constable exam. All these things This is more than sufficient. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this method. First learn the cubes up to 10, then you go for this shortcut method, and then you'll be able to say that I am a mental calculator. That is the power of this magical math morning sessions. I hope you are enjoying the maja in the maths. Correct? No, we all say that maths mein maja hai. And see you tomorrow morning with yet another short trick. Till then, bye bye. Take care.